Have you been noticing strange little things happening lately? Numbers that keep repeating. Money showing up out of nowhere. A sudden calm that wasn't there before? These are not coincidences. They are signals. And today, on Tranquility Insights, I'm going to walk you through 10 signs that great wealth and abundance are already on their way to you. Some of these signs might already be happening in your life right now, and you didn't even realize what they meant. By the end of this video, you will never look at those little coincidences the same way again. I want you to think back over the last few weeks. Has something felt just a little different? A little lighter? A little more hopeful? Even if you couldn't quite explain why. That feeling is not random. It's often the very first whisper that something bigger is beginning to move behind the scenes of your life, long before it shows up in your bank account or in your everyday reality. Before I tell you exactly what to look for, I want to speak to you like a real person because that is what this space is about. If you are watching from the USA, please press the hype button if it is showing on your screen. It helps this video reach more people in the USA during the first few days after upload. And if you are watching from another country, write your country in the comments. I really love seeing where you are all from. Also, please like this video and subscribe to Tranquility Insights for more peaceful, powerful, and positive content. And if you leave a comment, know that I do read them. I may not reply to every single one, but I truly see them and I appreciate them. Alright, let's get into it. Grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's talk about something the universe doesn't advertise loudly, but is speaking to you every single day. Here's something important before we start. What I'm about to share with you is not something that just happens to lucky people. This is something you have some control over. The universe is constantly sending signals, but most of us are too busy, too distracted, or too skeptical to notice them. If you start recognizing even 2 or 3 of these signs showing up regularly in your life, take that as confirmation. The universe is speaking directly to you, telling you that something big is shifting in your favor. Stay open to it. And if none of these signs are showing up for you yet, that's okay too. It simply means it might be time to shift your actions, your beliefs, your thoughts, and your energy. The moment you begin to change on the inside, you'll start noticing these signs appearing in your outer world, often faster than you'd expect. Think of it as the universe tapping you on the shoulder and whispering, "You're on the right path now." So here they are. 10 signs that wealth and abundance are heading your way. I'm going to save one powerful bonus sign for the very end, so stay with me all the way through. Sign number 1. The number 7 keeps appearing. Have you been seeing the number 7 everywhere? On clocks, receipts, license plates, phone numbers? What about 77 or 777? 7 is considered one of the most powerful numbers across ancient traditions and mystery schools. It shows up again and again throughout history, in sacred texts, in old belief systems, in the way ancient cultures understood the cosmos. Many ancient thinkers believed there were 7 governing planets, planets that didn't just influence generations of people from a distance, but were woven into the fabric of daily life itself. This isn't about fortune-telling. It's about the relationship between the cosmos outside of you and the cosmos within you. Even today, you'll notice 7 pop up in places tied to luck and fortune. Walk into any casino and you'll see it everywhere, tied to winning and chance. If 777, 777, or even 770 keeps showing up in your life, consider it a genuinely wonderful sign. Wealth and abundance are knocking at your door. Sign number 2. Dreams about new life and growth. This next one might surprise you. Have you had dreams about having a baby? Women may dream directly about pregnancy or motherhood. Men might dream about their partner expecting, or about becoming a father themselves. Sometimes the dream simply features a baby, without any obvious explanation. These dreams are rarely literal. They are symbolic. They represent prosperity, growth, and new beginnings. Your tribe, so to speak, is expanding. This doesn't necessarily mean an actual child is coming. It means that abundance, wealth, and prosperity are expanding in your life in a very real way. Take a breath. Let that sink in. This is genuinely exciting. Sign number 3. You keep finding money. Have you been finding money? Pennies? Nickels? Dimes? the occasional stray dollar bill on the sidewalk, or tucked into an old coat pocket. Here's a tip. Don't just toss that money into your pocket and forget about it. Put it in a special jar or a special spot in your home. Why does this matter? Because this is found money. It's a gift from the universe. And more than that, it acts like a talisman. What exactly is a talisman? Ancient traditions describe it as any object, word, or symbol that has the power to draw more of the same energy toward you. So when you find money, and you treat it with intention rather than carelessness, you're essentially telling the universe, I recognize this gift and I welcome more of it. Like attracts like. If this keeps happening to you regularly, take it as a clear and repeated message. Wealth is circling back to you. Sign number 4. Everything starts to align. You know that feeling when life feels like a constant uphill battle? Every plan falls apart. Every door seems to close. Everything feels like a struggle? Now compare that to a season where things just click into place. Opportunities appear at the right moment. The right people show up in your life without you even trying to find them. Things that used to feel forced now feel effortless. This doesn't mean challenges disappear completely. It means the energy around you has shifted into alignment with your goals and dreams. The universe is quite literally rearranging people, timing, and opportunities to match the life you've been asking for. And when that kind of alignment shows up, abundance is usually not far behind. Pay attention to how effortless things start to feel. A phone call that comes at exactly the right moment. A conversation that leads you somewhere you never expected. A delay that turns out to be a blessing in disguise because it kept you from being somewhere you shouldn't have been. These small, quiet moments of alignment build on top of each other, and over time they create the momentum that carries you straight into abundance. Sign number 5. New opportunities keep showing up. Are new opportunities landing in your lap more frequently than usual? Maybe not all of them are winners. In fact, most of them probably won't be exactly what you're looking for. But here's the thing. Write them down anyway. Keep a running list. You never know when one opportunity might connect with another one that hasn't appeared yet, creating something far bigger than either one alone. Don't dismiss things too quickly just because they don't look perfect on the surface. Stay open. Stay curious. Let yourself be in communication with the wider field of possibility that's constantly trying to reach you. Sign number 6. You start worrying less. Have you noticed a growing sense of calm about your future? Not in a naive way, but in a deep, grounded way where you simply know things are going to work out. Maybe things aren't unfolding exactly on your timeline. Maybe they're moving faster than you expected or slower. Either way, there's a quiet confidence settling in. You've stopped obsessively checking your email, your phone, your bank account every 5 minutes. You're not desperately wondering when things will happen anymore. This is what's sometimes called the vibration of realization. It's that peaceful place where you've stopped chasing and started trusting. And it is one of the clearest signs that abundance is already in motion. Sign number 7. Your beliefs about money are shifting. This next sign is subtle, but incredibly powerful. Your core beliefs about money and abundance are changing. You no longer believe that money is the root of all evil. You no longer buy into the idea that there's some kind of spiritual nobility in struggling financially. Those are old, outdated beliefs, and you don't have to carry them anymore. Instead, you're starting to believe that money is good, that it doesn't require you to work yourself to exhaustion just to get by. You're beginning to trust that money can flow to you easily, consistently, and in ever-increasing amounts. When your relationship with money shifts from scarcity to trust, abundance starts flowing in ways you never expected. Remember, abundance is bigger than money. It includes opportunity, love, health, and peace of mind, but money is very much part of that picture, and your beliefs about it are transforming. Sign number 8. You're winning at small things. Have you been winning little things lately? A raffle at work, a small bingo prize, a friendly betting pool, a few dollars on a scratch ticket or a lottery number. These small wins might seem insignificant on their own, but they're not really about the dollar amount. They're about you developing the energy and habit of winning. You're training your mind, your expectations, and your vibration to recognize and receive good fortune. And once that pattern of winning starts, even in small ways, it tends to build momentum toward bigger wins. Sign number 9. Bargains seem to find you. Have you started noticing incredible deals popping up everywhere you look? In the classifieds, online marketplaces, at garage sales, in unexpected conversations? Maybe you've stumbled across a car listed far below its real value, or found furniture, clothing, or groceries at prices that feel almost too good to be true. These bargains aren't random. They are one more sign that the flow of abundance is opening up around you. Keep your eyes open because these opportunities tend to show up in categories you wouldn't expect to: real estate, vehicles, even investments. Bonus sign number 10. Your mind is overflowing with money-making ideas. Here's the bonus sign I promised you. Your mind becomes absolutely full of ideas, ways to generate more income, new projects, new ventures, new possibilities. You might even find yourself lying awake at night because you simply can't stop thinking about them. Don't fight this. Don't try to shut it down. Let your mind explore these ideas, because this creative overflow is often one of the strongest indicators that a season of financial growth and abundance is right around the corner. So there you have it. 10 signs plus that powerful bonus sign that wealth and abundance are already making their way to you. Even if you've only noticed one or two of these so far, that's enough to pay attention to. Stay open, stay aware, and most importantly, stay aligned with the belief that good things are coming, because they truly are. Remember, none of this requires you to force anything. It simply asks you to notice, to trust, and to keep showing up as the version of yourself who is already living in abundance. The signs are already there. Your only job right now is to recognize them and to keep walking in their direction, one small, aligned step at a time. If this video resonated with you, make sure you're subscribed to Tranquility Insights so you never miss a video like this one. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these signs you've already noticed in your own life. I genuinely love to hear about it. Until next time, stay peaceful, stay open, and remember, you deserve every bit of the abundance that's coming your way. See you in the next video.